Hi guys, it's me, Tisha from the Bush Doctor Juice Bar. Today we are going to make our amazing witch brew tea. These are the ingredients you're going to need. A whole lime, a whole orange, nutmeg powder, the whole nutmeg, ginger, but make sure to juice it, spring water, oil of oregano, and honey. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to give you a few minutes to get all your ingredients together, okay? I'll be right back. Okay guys, so are we ready? This is what everything should start looking like now. You should cut your lime in half, cut your oranges in 4, and crush the whole nutmeg. You can use a hammer or anything that's heavy to crush it. And you have some ginger. You have some whole ginger and you also have juiced ginger. Okay? So what you're going to do is pour the spring water into a cup like this, and about 2 ounces of ginger also in the cup. Then we're going to pour it in a pan like so. And we're going to add 2 of the orange and peel and a few of the whole nutmeg. Okay? Now, the fun part. We get to juice. So what we're going to juice first is the lime and the lime peel. Here we go, guys. Turn on your juicer. And let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to put my lime in and start juicing it. A little bit more lime. Now, I'm going to put the second half of the orange peel and the orange. So here goes the orange and the orange peel. Look at that go. Now, we're going to take maybe about 2 ounces of spring water, and we're going to make sure it flushes all the lime and orange out of the juicer. It's about 2 ounces. You don't need a lot. So we're going to do it as so. There we go. Just to get all the extra out. Okay guys, so here's our next step. Our next step is to start to cook the other half of the orange and peel in the spring water, ginger, nutmeg mix. This takes about 15 minutes, okay? So we're going to make sure we shake it up a little bit, and we're just going to let it cook. What we are going to do, we're going to turn the orange part down, halfway down, because that part could get cooked also, okay? So we're going to do like so. We're going to turn it. There we go. I'm just going to let it cook. And if you want, you could also sprinkle some nutmeg powder also. But remember, we have the whole nutmeg in here too. So we got the spring water, the ginger, the orange and orange peel, and nutmeg cooking. It takes about 15 minutes, all right? Now, our next step. This is the cup, remember? And this is the lime and orange peel that we juiced. So, before we pour it into the cup, we're going to take our honey and we're going to put honey into the cup, a nice amount of honey. Now, if you're a vegan, you can use agave, any type of sweetener you like. Okay, you're going to keep putting it in. Put a good amount because you want it to be nice and sweet, but not too much. Okay. Okay, guys, so now the honey's in the cup. What we're going to do next is take our powder nutmeg and we're going to sprinkle some inside the cup, like so. Now we're going to take our concoction, which was the lime peel and orange peel juiced, and we're going to pour it inside the cup, like so. And then we're going to take 2 ounces of our juiced ginger, and we're also going to pour it in a cup. Now, we're going to take a capful of our oil of oregano and pour it in a cup as well. Okay, guys, so we've been cooking our orange and orange peel along with ginger, spring water, and nutmeg for about 15 minutes. When the orange kind of opens up like this, that's how you know it's ready, okay? Okay, let me turn off the pot. What we're going to do next, we're going to bring it over to the table. And what we're going to do is take 1 orange, and we're going to place it in the cup. There we go. And then we're going to pour, and make sure you get the whole nutmeg in the cup also. We're going to pour our concoction right in there to the tea. Look at that. If you have a big enough cup, you could put both oranges inside the cup. Now we also want to make sure that we get the whole nutmeg also. Now remember, this whole nutmeg is eatable. You can suck on it and chew it. And the great benefit of nutmeg is that it is detoxifying and it is supposed to help reduce pain. Nutmeg and orange peels have so many benefits, along with ginger, which also helps with inflammation. Okay, so that is the witch brew tea. And of course, like any other tea, you are going to have to stir it up some, so you can get that honey and all that great stuff at the bottom. Has a nice kick to it too because of the ginger and oil of oregano. And believe it or not, it is very, very tasty. So guys, if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button and subscribe to the Bush Doctor Juice Bar. Or you can visit us at our website at thebushdoctor.net. We are located at 307 Tompkins Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, between Quincy and Gates. Take care. See you guys next time.